You may have seen various characters who do not exist in the real world in various big Hollywood movies. All of them are computer generated, and the technology used to create these kinds of characters or objects is called VFX or visual effects. It's a very creative, time-consuming, and laborious task. A VFX artist has to spend a lot of time and effort to create a virtual character or object. But, after the rise of artificial intelligence, like other sectors, AI has brought a huge revolution to the VFX industry as well. Now you can create this kind of video with this video. And guess what? You don't need to be a VFX pro to dive into this world anymore. Excited to see how? Without further ado, let's dive in. This is Devad and you are watching AI Lockup. To create our VFX video, today I will use an AI tool called Viggle AI. To find Viggle AI, open your browser and search for Viggle AI on Google or any other search engine. After getting the search result, enter the first result.